Revelers are gearing up to hit the streets of Kingston this Sunday for the long-awaited Carnival Road March after a 2-year hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Carnival season kicked off with pre-events in June such as hard wine and Bacchanal rum for breakfast. And this week sees a full calendar roll out with Bacchanal's highly anticipated Juve and Exodus with a tailgate and sunup leading to the Road March on Sunday. Organizers have been busy in prep mode for Road March as both bands Bacchanal, Jamaica and Exodus have started its distribution of costumes to revelers and announcement for the routes. Co-director of Bacchanal Jamaica Michael Lamar Jr. spoke with E-Prime about the plans for this year's staging of the Carnival Road March.
The Road March this year is going to be great. It's a summer carnival, first time we've ever done it. New route, new lunch stop, lots of new goodies on the road. And we're going to be doing one route with Exodus and Bacchanal, first time ever. Costume distribution has been going smoothly. Most of the sections will be distributed by Friday midday, and whatever last minute sales and alterations by Saturday midday. Expecting everything to be done by then.
Sunday will see both Carnival bands taking to the streets of Kingston with events dotted along the route. Carnival in Jamaica will return for its usual staging next year. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.